वन क्वेश्चन, आपने बोला 16 kg आपने गेन किया इस रोल के लिए, चमकीला के लिए. सो यू वेंट थ्रू अ मैसिव बॉडी ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन, यू गेन्ड, एंड अब इसको वापस लूज भी करना होगा. जैसे एज एन एक्टर आपकी लाइफ में बहुत अप्स एंड डाउन्स होते हैं ऑफ बॉडी.
एंड मेरे करियर में तो ज्यादा हुए हैं और या
सो ए, इज इट हेल्दी? बी, कैसे गेन किया 16 kgs? लाइक व्हाट वाज द प्रोसेस?
It's not healthy. It's not healthy at all. In fact, जब मैंने चमकीला साइन की थी, मैं उस टाइम बहुत फिट हो गई थी. I had been working out for clear 2 years and I almost had abs. I remember very well, I went to Imtiaz sir with a very, very fit body. And I was dying to do this movie. And Imtiaz sir offered me this film. And he said, but listen, you don't look like her. And that was it. It just switched in my head. मैंने 2 साल की जो मेहनत की थी, मैं उसको 1 मिनट में भूल गई. I put on those 16 kilos. I used to eat heavy meals and go to sleep so that I look puffy the next morning. And I have a proper double chin. And I wanted my eyes to look small. I used to eat rice and rotis like in numbers, 3 or 4. You know, for it to look like that. It was not just fun and games ki roz pizza khao aur maze karo. Because I really wanted me to look like her. But the thing is, after years, a director had given me a role like this, an opportunity like this, and I was dying to grab it with both hands.
How long did it take you to gain 16 kg?
It took me 6 months almost. So it was 6 months of very unhealthy eating. My sleep got affected. I could not sleep properly. My mood got affected because after a couple of months when you're not eating clean, it affects your mood. You feel low.
Yeah.
My stamina was 0.
So no workout?
No workouts. No workouts for 6 months. And this is me who was doing weight training like 4 times a week and cardio twice a week. And I was at my prime at that time. And eating badly. Drinking beverages that I don't like. I don't drink milkshakes and all these things. I was drinking all of those because I wanted very quickly
gain.
Also because I had 2 years of discipline, तो वो जल्दी से हो भी नहीं रहा था. I was not able to put on the weight. But I used to wear the clothes and it was Indian clothes which are very complimenting. So I used to look like myself and I didn't want to look like myself. I wanted to look like Amarjot ji. I had to. This was the project I had been waiting for 10 years of my life. So I remember a very senior actor of mine, मैंने उनको बताया कि मैं ना इस पिक्चर के लिए 20 किलो मुझे पुट ऑन करने हैं. और उन्होंने कहा तू पागल है, तू अपना करियर ख़त्म कर देगी, डोंट डू दिस टू योर सेल्फ. I lost brands. I didn't do events because I was just looking so terrible. I was so conscious and people started saying she's pregnant, she's done liposuction, she's done Botox on her face. पता नहीं क्या क्या लोगों ने बोला. And I used to look at it and be like, तुम लोग कभी समझोगे ही नहीं. You know, दिलजीत की एक लाइन है चमकीला में कि आपको समझ ही नहीं आएगा कि मैं क्यों ऐसे गाता हूँ. मैं इसलिए गाता हूँ क्योंकि लोग चाहते हैं. And I was also doing it for the role. मेरे को कोई इंटरेस्ट नहीं है कि मैं मोटी हो जाऊँ और बुरी दिखूँ एंड you know, मेरे कपड़े फिट नहीं आ रहे थे. I was only wearing, till today I have not lost the weight. It has been a struggle to lose the weight also. And everywhere people are attacking me and saying, she looks bad, she's looking terrible, blah, blah, blah. But give me a film, give me a project and you'll see me go the opposite way also, you know. So,
does it affect your confidence in public?